Hi guys, welcome back to a high quality sound video. I lost my microphone, I don't know where it went. I'm playing Breaking Bone Simulator. Update. I left Dino Daycare so I can work on stuff. But one day I'll come back and that would be nice. So right now, it's Valentine's Day currently, and my mom has a surprise for me. Why am I even telling you this? This makes no sense. Okay, so I'm really bored and I decided to record a video. So I guess that's what I'm doing now. I don't know how to record those kinds of videos because you know that YouTuber, let's see. That YouTuber, this guy right here, he played Breaking Bone Simulator. And for some reason, he makes the videos interesting, and I can't because I'm so dumb. Oh, okay, here we go. YouTube has copyrighted me for a lot of different reasons, for like music, and like I have 10 warnings or something, but I don't know how to make my videos not copyrighted. So if you delete me, I'll make a new channel and I'll try my best to find out why I was copyrighted. You know what? I'll check after I make this video and I'll work on copyright laws and stuff because I'm only a child and I don't know what half of these things are. So I guess this is kind of a Q&A. Ow. While I'm playing this really random game. Ow. Okay, that hurt. I'm gonna go on Twitter. Also follow me on Twitter! Okay, so this is my Twitter. So I posted just the other day that you need to go subscribe to PewDiePie because we can't let T-Series overtake PewDiePie. And I also want to become a meme because I'm special. Yeah. This is also a beautiful picture of me when I was 9 years old while I was filming. What is it called? I think it was Kinex Sound Outdoor. Yep, exactly. Kinex Sound Outdoor. Yep. I want to know. I have two followers. Oh, John Barry and Starshine One Game. So this girl followed me, and then she sent. Oh, I have your notifications. She sent me this thing, and I don't care. Okay, so she sent me this message thing. And she wants me to go ahead and follow her. So I watched one of her Roblox videos, wherever it went, yep. And I subscribed to her, and I didn't realize how many subscribers she has. She has like a 12,000. And so I want to thank you for following me. Someone that's quotation famous. I don't know if she's famous, but thanks for following me, I guess. Back to the game, I think. I really want Screen Recorder to sponsor me, even though because I'm poor. None of you are wondering what happened to nobody on Earth is wondering what happened to. Oh my gosh. Nobody is wondering what happened to this person. My friend named, I don't know if I can say her name, so I can say her name, but This friend was in this video. I think she was also in this video. She was in, I think, some of this video, I'm not sure. And she was also in that video, and definitely, actually I don't know. Oh, and so I was also trying to troll in Roblox. I had no idea what trolling in Roblox was. So I just threw up in the hospital. I think I'm gonna redo that video. Alright, anyways, back to the juicy stuff. This video is getting too long. This is 5 minutes long. I think I'm gonna end the video. Actually, no, my videos are so boring that you could just watch someone else and you'll be a lot happier. And though that's the facts. Those are facts. I guess no one's asking me any questions, so in this video, I have a task for you. Ask me 2 billion questions. Another thing, I asked my mom how many views I have. Like, guess how, you're on YouTube. Okay, I asked my, okay, I guess I'm going now. Nope, okay. So I asked my mom how much, views. I asked her to guess how many views I have on my most viewed video, and she said 20, and I said more like 200, and she said you're getting a huge Valentine's gift, so I want to thank you, so I get a huge Valentine's gift. And so you just made me tired. And my goal is to get into the pool, and when I get into the pool, I'll end this video. Looks like I'm getting into the pool today. No? Please, please, no! Okay, bye, people. I don't even know what my outro is. I just, whatever. Random Zoe out. Also subscribe to PewDiePie. Oh my god, I can't end this video. Subscribe to PewDiePie.